Hey lovelies, welcome to another tutorial. It's been a while. Did you miss me? So today I want to teach you how to make a simple headband, and this headband is a trendy one, trust me. It comes in different types and we made this for one of our ready to wear jumpsuits. Enjoy. Measurement of the head of this is the front, is that's 20 by 7.5, and here you're going to this shaping is optional, okay? So this shaping is optional, all right, so that it will reduce the bulk at this side, and it's totally optional. But the measurement here is about 2 3/4, okay, 2 3/4. Okay, so we said we need two pairs of this. Set it aside. We also need our 1 inch elastic, and then we need a strip for the back elastic. So this is the strip. So the strip measures 14 by 4 1/2. So I'm going to take this to my sewing machine. I'll sew it like this, create a channel, put my elastic there, all right? So the measurement of this is 14. So I'm going to be using 6 inches elastic, okay? 6 inches elastic, all right? And I'm going to sew this, and I'll set this aside. So for this one, this is how you will join this. So the first thing you need to do is you need to measure 1 inch here, 1.5 here, 1 inch. Measure it here too. Okay, I'm going to take it to sewing machine and sew from here and sew from here. All right. So once we sew, we are going to sew one part of this place. All right. So we are going to now insert. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to sew this, sew this, sew this, and bring it back. Registration for our headband class is on. I'm going to put the details in the description. Make sure you register and enjoy good teaching. See you in class. Okay, so I'm back. So this is it. This is the opening that I said, and this is the second one. Okay, this is it. So this is the elastic. I've made it. Okay, so I actually use 1.5 elastic. Okay, so this is the other one. This is the right side, and this is the wrong side. Okay, this is the wrong side. I'm going to take it like this. I'll put it inside here to go in. I'll use my picker, put it in this. So I'm going to take it to the sewing machine. Okay, I'm going to sew it like this. Okay, I'll sew it like this and bring it back. Okay, so you can see I've sewed it to about an inch, and what you're going to do is you're going to turn it like this. So this is how it is. Okay, this is the right side. So you're going to put this inside it like this. Okay, put this inside it. So once I'm going to sew it like this. Okay, sew it like this. See, I'm going to bring it out. So I hope you understand it. This is pretty simple. Okay. You can adjust it, pull it. Okay. So this is it. All right. So I'm going to take this now. Okay. So the measurement of this is should be about 18. Okay. So take it like this. I'm going to take this. So this is the joint part. The joint part will face the right side will face it like this. You understand? So you fold it like this. So you can make this smaller, but this is how I want it. Okay. All right. I'm going to take it like this. Sew it. Take the second one. Do it, and I will bring it back. So you can see I've attached it. So you can take your scissors and trim it a little on both sides. Okay. So this is it. So as you can see, this is pretty simple. and very nice. So you can iron it if you want. Different ways to make this. I'm going to show you the one I made. This is another one that I made. As you can see, the way I made this is not the way I made this. The back of this, you can see this one was wide enough to overlap. All right. Why this one? I made this. I wanted this to be small because it's Ankara. I don't want it to be bulky. All right. So whichever option that works for you, you can see the back still is the same way. So you can make as many as you want. You can sell this. So the way I made this is not the way I see it. We have come to the end of this class. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you register for our Headwear class.